Hello everyone. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to download the WhatsApp application on your desktop or your laptop on Windows. So what I've done now, I've already got this set up. You just go into any internet browser such as Edge, Firefox or Google, Chrome. Just put in whatsapp.com/download and just click accept here, and these are the uh, ones that are available. So mobile Android, mobile iOS, and then desktop. We're doing desktop, so I'm going to click download. Okay, so it's trying to open the Microsoft Store. Okay, so it's come up with a notification from the Microsoft Store, so I can just click get. Okay, so it's starting to download now. And now it's starting to download, so it's actually downloading now. So just have to be patient and wait for it to be downloaded. Okay, so the next process is now is to set up WhatsApp on your computer. Number one, open WhatsApp on your phone, and then number two, okay, so the next step is to set up WhatsApp on your computer. What you must do first is to open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu or settings icon as shown here on the screen and select linked devices. Number 3, tap link a device and point your phone to the screen to capture the code. So that's what I'm going to do now, and let's see what happens next. Okay, so it's now set up. I've managed to link my Apple mobile phone device to my desktop, and now I can um, message. I can message my friends and family in there. So I can just do a test in this one. Obviously, I'm sending it to myself. I'm not going to move this screen in the middle because I've got uh, confidential contacts in there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So that's WhatsApp has now been installed, and let's have a look. And there we go. Um, it's installed, and that's it then. Thank you very much.